I mean, we forget just how the tragedy of what we all lived through, what, just a year, 2 years ago. I mean, pretty recent, right? And, there is absolutely no reason why it won't happen again. In fact, really the expectation is that it will happen again, that we will see these type of, pandemics and viruses and so forth. I mean, there's just, reasons why we do expect that to occur. Yet, so far, the system hasn't changed. Now, yeah, the government's aware, and we're seeing some things, and we'll talk a little bit about that. But it's still a massive problem. And and to go back to, just to be clear, you know, we are talking. You could say virtually every drug. I mean, there's obviously exceptions of some things that are made in the United States, but really, I don't know, 80, 90% of all drugs of importance are majority made somewhere else and majority made probably in China.